It's dark in here. All right. One of the daily chores. You know it, don't you, dog?
Would you grab the scraps, please?
The what?
A bucket of scraps.
Just take care of chickens. Which means water, feed them. And of course, you can't do that without your trusty dog. Got to protect you from any rogue chicken. A couple inches of new snow overnight. It's supposed to change to rain later today. Temperature is slowly creeping up. It's almost 30 degrees now. So, talk about a mood swing. And more shoveling. All right, so they get 2 waterers in the morning, and then depending on the temperature, you get changed out once or twice during the day. And the rooster's ready to get out. They have 3 feeders hanging. You filling those today?
Yeah.
And tarp is up right now to keep snow from coming in. So there's only one open side. 2 of them here. You want this?
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Yep. So we change out the waters once or twice a day, depending on how cold it is and obviously how much they're consuming. We have a barrel that has feed in it.
Put up on block.
Next to the hen house. It should also be noted that this hen house and pen were scheduled to be replaced in 2017.
I think so, yeah.
You see how far along we have gotten. But it has got to be replaced this coming summer. This we built this over 20 years ago.
Oh, for sure, yeah.
I'm surprised it's still standing, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed it'll make it through the winter. But it's got to go next summer. We have designs for a very elaborate pen next year. We're going to use some ribs from high tunnels, excess ribs. We have some for some high tunnels.
You can use weatherport ribs now.
Cover it. I don't think there's any left usable.
Yeah, you never know.
But at any rate, all right, let's see. You get ready? Here we go. Boom, out at the pen.
Good morning, chickens. Good morning.
Chickens are out like they were shot from a cannon.
Yeah, everybody loves the scraps.
Should be a lot more active today. It was 13 below yesterday and the day before, and basically all they did was eat and drink and then just kind of go back in the hen house and huddle down.
How you doing, Oliver?
And then collect eggs. You're going to just leave the door open so I can see in.
Light's not on. I'm surprised.
The light's not on?
It was on earlier.
Yeah. We have a light in the hen house. It's just more to keep them laying. It's not for heat because it's one of those low voltage bulbs, but it's on a timer. It goes on at dusk and stays on till daylight, so I guess it's light enough out for it to be off. Generally, we don't need heat in the hen house until it gets below 0, and then we have a portable heater we put in when it goes below 0. Otherwise, all of those chickens in the hen house, the temperature usually stays above freezing easily. It's all log and well insulated.
Plus they have their own solar power.
And we do have supplemental light in there when we want to go in and collect eggs and stuff. Yeah, so it's a battery light just charged off a solar panel, and but we have elaborate plans for next year or this coming summer with a wood stove, more space, so on and so forth. So anyway, I guess we're done. Okay. Morning chore of chickens. Cross that off.